For the switcher box, once again, I know you're paying attention. Alright, so DVD player from this one to feed to all the TVs throughout the coach. Input B for each TV. Each one of these is a TV itself. If you want to watch the dish, hit switch, 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 and switch, and go to input C. And eventually, there we go.
Okay,
There's the dish. And then if you guys just want to watch normal TV, switch it to just TV.
Switch it on the remote.
Yes.
See, that stuff was not explained to us on that other one.
What button?
What is
Input.
Input, right there.
Yep. And then the arrow keys.
And then, yeah, use the arrow keys. Okay.